And I'll let Lyman take care of it.
Well, I don't have a speech, but me and Johnny been here quite a while together, a few years, but I've enjoyed working with him. I think he's enjoyed working with the people more than anything else up here, but John Mack, we're just gonna give this token, remember all the folks shot me and David Ray and Mosh and Bill, the group up there, so
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
The other last thing here, we did have a couple more gifts that we collected from the mill. This is a stand-in plaque. Johnny Mack will appreciate this. Poor Donna puts this thing in order in a month ago. Once you finalized your documentation, she got the order in. So she gets ready to pick it up the other day, and the phone answering machine answers saying, we're closed. And she's thinking, why is it closed? So then she does some investigative work and finds this guy had been in surgery, had been in the hospital, and he literally shut his operation down, so your plaque is safe. But a certificate of appreciation obviously is awarded to John McMillan for having completed was it 44.975 years of service at the Hodge Mill. And again, Continental can, stone container, Smurfit stone container, and rock tin. And of course, Mike and I were privileged to sign it. But you all have to check out this picture here, because for those of you who know who Pat Boone is, it's pretty close. But, you have to compare. This is what. You know, James, I'll tell you, this is what 45 years at this mill makes. Hair changes color. So